Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by eliminating simple failures. Check the physical keyboard, USB ports, or Bluetooth pairing so you don't chase phantom problems. Next, restart the search and Cortana processes via Task Manager that often restores input hooks. Once done, perform a full system restart instead of sleep to clear driver locks and temporary service states. Make sure to note whether the keyboard works in the login screen. That tells you if it's a user session problem versus a system-level driver issue. You now dive into drivers and the search index because input problems often trace to corrupted drivers or a broken search service. Update or roll back the keyboard and HID-compliant device drivers in Device Manager and uninstall any suspicious HID entries. Windows will reinstall them at reboot. Then rebuild the search index to fix missing search hooks. If issues persist, run system file checks like sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanup image. Finish by resetting the search component and testing in a clean environment. Run the official PowerShell reset script for Windows Search or uninstall and reinstall the Windows Search optional feature to restore default behavior. Once done, create a new local user and test the search box there to determine if the problem is profile-specific. This isolates corrupt user settings. If none of these steps resolve it, use System Restore to a known good point or perform a Windows repair install. And if it still fails, the last troubleshooting tip is to disable third-party shell extensions and antivirus temporarily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.